Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. And today we're going to talk about clove.
Clove comes in, I'll show you. Okay, there you go. See, that's clove. And some people use them in for decorating on oranges. Some people put them in ciders. And clove is actually really, really good for you.
So it's good to smell your house with too. You could put it with orange slices and put it in boiling water, put it on the stove, and it'll just scent your whole house.
Yeah. But there's one thing in that when I was a dental assistant, eugenol was an ointment that was put in the tooth to prevent a lot of toothache and to kill the germs that are in there. Because of course, clove is the highest antioxidant in the ORAC table, so it's pretty good for killing germs. And so it's something that you can actually, if you have clove oil, whenever my kids had a toothache, I just put a little drop of clove oil.
Essential oil?
Yeah, and it was really helpful to prevent that, like that toothache would subside. But you can also boil some of this clove up if you've got some in your home, and you can boil it up and then you have it as a mouthwash as well. So that's kind of really handy.
Didn't you say you can take that and just stick it right on
Yeah.
on your tooth? Maybe
So
if you have toothache?
Yeah, for sure. So if you take the one little drop of clove, of course you don't swallow. It's pretty strong, and you just kind of place it close to where that tooth is. Then it's going to help. So
you can get it in the powder form too. This is the way I use it the most because then I bake with it all the time. You can make cough syrup with it just by sprinkling a little in. It's good for arthritis and headaches.
Motion sickness as well. So that's kind of handy. You can take it with you on the road in an oil form. And so pain relief and of course menstrual problems. So those are some of the benefits that clove has. So it's kind of handy to have at home. You can have it in these three forms. So you can have it in a full form, powder, and
essential oil of your choice.
Yeah.
So we just thought we'd share with clove. We love it and hope you do too. And remember, you
can do this too.